Alright, so today is a special day. I have something special in this box, and today is the my, you guessed it, my birthday. So I'm gonna show you some pictures from my life that I have here in this box. Actually, I selected best 6 that are something special to me, or they're kind of nice. So where to start? Yeah, maybe with this one and only Polaroid picture that I have. One day when one magician came to kindergarten, and after the show he asked if anyone want to take picture with rabbit, and all was screaming pick me, and I was just quiet, and I was raising hand, and he said, yeah, because you were the only one who was not yelling, you will have the privilege to take picture with this rabbit. It's before 1990 and still looks great. This was actually not my mustache and beard. I was not so hairy back in the days. But yeah, the rabbit was. That was first one. Yeah, I'll save best for the last. I like this picture. This is my friend Bojan on a BMX, a Rock BMX. This Rock that was the only manufacturer of the bicycles, and this BMX Rock was very popular. And yeah, this is him and this is me. I like this picture. I also like framing with this tree. And this was the kindergarten that I was attending to, and this is actually in front of our house. So yeah, this was our street, Bojan and me. And this is another special person in my life. This is my brother. I love him so. Yeah, and you can see this brotherly love, kind of hugging, but he is kind of resisting. This was on the seaside in Rovin. My father took that picture. And I had also the dress from Davor Šuker. He was great soccer player.
Na ovoj strani je Šuker. Odmah izvrsno primanje lopte. I vidio je kako je, ma to, kako to može, kako to može.
I've got this shirt on one market on seaside. Yeah, that was same year. I guess it was 2000 probably. I like this picture. It's like center composition and minimal. It's a little crooked. You can see C is going down. Square format also could work. Yeah, this is Rovin. And this is one picture for documents. I don't know, so cute. Here I can remember. Here little hair is missing, and here I wanted to make me the ears like Batman, so I cut hair like this and like this, and yeah, it was my hair experiment. I remember my mother was furious. Yeah, it's also interesting how the lighting was here. Its flashes directly in front of me and a little bit higher, because I can see this shadow below my chin. This is it, mini me. And this is favorite picture of my stack of pictures. I really like energy from two of my cousins. I'm kind of not so happy, but like we are kind of center positioned, three of us, and nice energy, nice colors also. That was some I think it was wedding from my uncle, because we are all sleeping here, and someone took a picture of us, so it should be something special. And also I have some nice shirt. Yeah, and those are these pictures of mini me, or not so mini me anymore. Which one you like the best? And if you want it, you can guess which birthday is mine today. You can write it down in the comments below. And see you some other time.
Raise a voice, hear it echo. Raise a voice, hear it echo.